If you're a frequent user of CA glue, you may find that your applicator nozzle gets clogged. When that happens, simply take off the applicator. Now's a good time to put on the cylindrical lid that it came with. Take that applicator that you have, and perhaps you're even using some micro tips, and they may get clogged as well. The best thing to do is to put those into a glass jar, and it needs to be glass because acetone that we're going to be using can dissolve some plastics. So pour some acetone into the jar. Get that lid to flip on its side there. There we go. And put enough acetone in there to cover both of those applicators. Now you can put the lid on and let that sit overnight, and it's always a good idea to label these things so that we know what they are. Let that sit overnight, and the next day when you come to get this jar, you'll be able to take those applicators out of there, and there's a high probability that that acetone will have dissolved the CA glue. Put those on a place to dry, and they should be all ready to go for your next application. Don't forget that if you're using a lot of these applicators on your next order, you can order additional applicators for your bottles.